You don't have any legal right to holding Nnamdi Kanu. Court comes out strong in support of Nnamdi Kanu. One worry. Thank you so much. Thank you very, 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 very much. Now it is no longer the UN that is standing in gap for Nnamdi Kanu now. It is now the same courts that they pushed Nnamdi Kanu to face trial. It is now the courts that they sent Nnamdi Kanu to face justice. You know, I think that this same court have decided to come out strong because in support of Nnamdi Kanu, because they have really seen it that Mr. President personally doesn't want Nnamdi Kanu to be released. Yes, they have seen it, and now the court is now coming out strong. Now, how can the court give a decision and Mr. President is saying that the decision of the court is invalid and not true? That the decision of the court is not in order. My dear people, there is something in this. There is something in this. I laugh because Mr. President doesn't know the gravity of what he is doing. He doesn't know. It means that all this while we are being ruled without the constitution. Yes. No wonder borrowing of money, handling of the economy is wrongly done, because the way it's being stated in the constitution is not how it's being done in Nigeria. So that is why we are the way we are. How will Nigeria go forward? How? Can someone please tell me? We cannot. Like, seriously, we cannot. So we are just wasting our fucking time. Alright, let's quickly check the content, so in order to know how to get it correctly as it has been stated in the content. This is morning news. Human rights lawyer Femi Falana's son has warned that the Nigerian government's argument that there are pending charges against the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, at the Federal High Court was contemptuous mockery of the Court of Appeals judgment, which is binding on all authorities. Falana warned that the President Muhammad Buhari-led Nigerian government should not twist the judgment of the Court of Appeal on Nnamdi Kanu. A three-man panel of Appeal Court Justice had on Thursday upheld the appeal of Nnamdi Kanu, which sought an order of the court to discharge and acquit him of the remaining 7-count charge bordering on terrorism against him. Kanu had, in his appeal dated April 29th and marked, applied to be discharged and acquitted. Kanu was first arraigned on December 23rd, 2015 and was later granted bail on April 25th, 2017. The Court of Appeal, in upholding his appeal, discharged him of all the charges and further declared illegal and unlawful his abduction from Kenya in Nigeria and quashed the entire terrorism charges brought against him by the federal government. Shortly after, the federal government, through the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami San, said interpreted the judgment and said that Kanu was only discharged but acquitted. Reacting to the insistence of the federal government that the IPOP leader had pending charges in court, Falana said that the Court of Appeal's judgment was binding on all authorities and persons in Nigeria by virtue of Section 287 of the 1999 Constitution of the Republic. In a release, Falana said, in the case of Nnamdi Kanu versus Federal Government of Nigeria, the Federal High Court had upheld the preliminary objection of the defense team led by Chief Mike Ozekome's son and dismissed 8 out of the 15-count charge against the defendant. In its judgment delivered yesterday, the Court of Appeal dismissed the remaining 7-count charge and discharged Mr. Kanu on the main ground that his rendition in Kenya had rendered the entire proceedings in the Federal High Court illegal under the national constitution and under international law. Consequently, the Court of Appeal ordered Mr. Kanu immediate and unconditional release from the custody of the State Security Service. Did you hear that? First of all, they decided to make reference to what transpired in 2015 and how Nnamdi Kanu was also discharged and acquitted by the court. No wonder they tried getting him killed. No wonder, because they have seen it that Nnamdi Kanu already has been dismissed by the court. Have been discharged by the court to say. They have seen it. So Nnamdi Kanu, who already knows that they are coming for him, have to escape. You see that? So now the same court who they dragged Nnamdi Kanu to now again, has now discharged him again. Now it is, you can now see that the courts have taken record of the errors the federal government are committing. So now it is no longer the present charges that the federal government are bordering on. It is now the past charges, because now what they're trying to drag right now is that Nnamdi Kanu has a pending charges. Which pending charges? What are they debating on? What have you told the court to debate on, to focus on? Why are you now bringing the past stories to book now? I dey laugh. Gidi Gani. All right. Let's hear you and let's know what's your take and what's your opinion on what has just been revealed. Maybe don't forget to leave them below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any news videos. Thank you.